All right, now we talk about events. Events. The number one tip that you need to know before going to any side event or any event is choosing your strategy. And you can only choose your strategy if you are truthful to yourself and you actually know what are strategies. And I'm going to show you what are the strategies in present world. You can be a party beast, you can be a morning beast, a side event beast, main conference beast, and a private meeting in a hotel lobby beast. Usually that's the 5 main archetypes that I have seen of people attending different events. Nobody is very clear, and nobody's just doing one thing. Most of the people are mixing 2 or 3 archetypes and 2 or 3 strategies. For example, you can go to the main event and then you party hard in the evening, and then in the afternoon you go and you take meetings in the lobby. This can be one of the strategies for you. Usually the people that I've seen that perform the best, they know where they're strong at and they only do that thing. So for example, for myself, I know that I'm very strong at side events. I like to go to side events and meet new people because then I can get a lot of coverage. I like main conferences. I go to the main conferences and I meet a lot of people at booths. And then I know that I'm a morning beast because most of the job that I do is happening in the morning, and I never go to parties, and I almost never do the private meetings in hotel lobby. Of course, you will be mixing, so it's okay if you do, let's say, I don't know, only main event and then you mix it with having meetings in the hotel lobby. The point is that you should know what you really like to do, and you can only know this by doing it. And you can only know this by observing other people, because I cannot imagine myself going to a party to do business, but I know people that go to party and they actually do business there, and they make good connections, and then those connections actually convert into deals and into business. So there are people like that. I'm not saying that it's bad or wrong. You just need to understand what is your strength and only do that. And you can only understand this if you at least been at one conference, at one event, and you have actually seen what it is. Now you can go back and reflect on it and then say, okay, I think I really like doing A and B. So for the next event, let's try doing only A and B and then see what's going to happen. Maybe you're going to be right, maybe you're going to be wrong, and you will need to adjust your strategy by the next event. But the most successful people that I have seen at conferences that usually bring home like a month or 2 months worth of business are those that know what they're strong at and only do that. That's it. Web3 Sales Gym, all links in the description. Subscribe, like, invite friends, invite family, send it to your mom. Yeah, and enjoy your life. It's a beautiful summer outside. See ya.